taking off the exhaust. Ain't no hangers or that holding together. It's just some zip ties that I put on there. So I already got these off. It ain't nothing but 3 9/16 bolts on each one. So that's what we doing today. Y'all, man, watch this.
Artlist.io.
I just got done taking them off, so I don't think left to do. Start it up. Really, the main reason I took it off because the gasket was crumbled up old. Got to put some new gaskets on here. Had a small exhaust leak. I smelled it all the way in my truck, so gotta get that. Go in the house and get my keys, and we gonna be in the game.
You record? Oh, excuse me. It's smoking. Stop. That's why I doing that.
Had to come to the gas station. I forgot I was on E last night. 93 all the way. And crazy. I forgot I was on E. Man, I was driving on E for 15 minutes from Clubhouse. But 93, baby. Made it home, feeling my baby hurt. See what it do. Oh yeah. Come on, cuz. Hey. Battery need charging. Take 3. Try this again. Come on, cuz. sitting for too long. But that's the end of the video.